Hi, let's take a look at one of my students' sentences. I am looking at a movie. Something wrong with this sentence, but what's wrong? Well, the verb look. Look means to focus your eyes on something that's not moving, something that's stationary. We can say, I'm looking at a picture, right? Because it doesn't move. Or Tom looked at the beautiful scenery, the mountains, the trees, the river, right? So we need a different verb. How about watch? Now, what does watch mean? It means to focus your eyes on a moving or changing object, right? So it's also concentration and focus, but this time the object is moving or changing. So let's put that in a few sentences. I am watching the sports game. The players running on the field, balls moving. Okay, it's changing. Lucy watched the fireworks last night. You know, there were explosions, lights. So I'm looking at a movie? No, that's not right. What my student needs to say is, I'm watching a movie. That's the correct sentence. Okay, that's all. I hope you study continually, diligently, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.